This is how to export Jira issues to Excel. From your dashboard, click More on the left-hand menu, click Filters, and select a filter. So for instance, we'll select done work items. And if you want to export an issue, for instance this one, then click Export and select Export CSV or Export Excel CSV. And you can also select all to export all your issues, and just click Export and select CSV or Excel CSV. You can also check all issues by going to Project, select a project, and click these three dots. Click Go to all work items, and you can select all or select a few, and just click Export and select the CSV file you want to export, and that's it. So this is how to export Jira issues to Excel.